The Universe cards. Number 10. Red Giant. Keyword: inflation. Interpretation. Red Giant may look big and impressive, but their size is misleading. They are actually in the process of dying, and their swollen size indicates that they have run out of fuel. If you draw the Red Giant card, number 10, something about the object of your inquiry is fooling you. There may be an aspect of the situation or a person involved that may seem hugely important and powerful, but really they are not. The importance of this person or situation has become inflated in your mind out of all proportions. This inflation may take the form of a seemingly unsurmountable obstacle. There seems no way out, and you become possessed by the idea of this obstacle and the frustration it causes you. Again, you are being fooled. The Red Giant card indicates that the obstacle is not as much of a problem as you believe. It has only become unsurmountable in your own mind. You have inflated it into a size which seems utterly defeating. If the Red Giant card applies to a person, this person has an inflated sense of their own importance. You have been taken in by their egotism, and you need to look beyond the outer show. What really lies behind it is probably much more insignificant. The Red Giant card also may be indicating that it is you who have become inflated and self-important with regard to your inquiry. You may secretly feel lacking in confidence or energy, but you have overcompensated by being excessively bombastic or egotistic. Examine your feelings honestly and try to look at the situation with a sense of its true proportion.